Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I will show you how you can create clicker text effect using Filmora 9. Stick around, I will show you how. First of all, go to sample colors, choose the black color, drag it over the timeline. Now cut a small piece of it and delete the other part. Copy this and paste it again and again over the timeline. Also copy these three parts and paste it in the same layer. Now go to titles and drag the default title over the timeline. Double click on that, go to advanced and write your text here. I am writing here flicker effect. Choose the font style and size. Now I am writing here effect. I am changing its color to red. It's alright now. Click OK. Delete the other part of the text. Now you can see here this is our final result. I hope you will like this video. If you have any questions about it, simply comment below and we will get back to you. Thank you very much.